Take a quick look inside our LCD display factory. This is not a staged factory tour. It is our real daily production environment. From wide factory views to production line details, every step reflects how we control quality in display module manufacturing. Our team works with automated equipment, process settings, material preparation, precision assembly, and detailed inspection. Before production starts, engineers check machine conditions and adjust key parameters to keep the process stable. During material preparation, even small details such as solution ratio, process timing, and handling methods can affect product consistency. In the assembly area, our team focuses on accuracy, cleanliness, and stable operation. For LCD and TFT display modules, precision is not only about machines. It also comes from experienced operators and careful process control. In the inspection area, workers use microscopes to check product details, surface quality, and key structure positions. Quality control is not only the final step. It starts from every process, every material, and every inspection point. Our office team also plays an important role. Engineers, production staff, quality teams, and sales teams work together to support customer projects. From sample development to mass production, we focus on stable quality, clear communication, and reliable delivery. This is our factory day by day: real production, real inspection, real teamwork. If you are looking for LCD, TFT, touch panel, or custom display module solutions, we are ready to support your next project.